Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing problems on Android 17. Okay, I'm using the Google Pixel 8 to be more precise, and now, how you can fix it? First, of course, you can go straight to the settings and then connected devices. If you see your save device right in here, you can hit the settings button and you can simply forget the device. Then it should appear next in here. You'll be able to click on pair device. You'll be able to see it under available devices, and you should easily repair with your device simply. You can also, of course, manually toggle off and then toggle on the Bluetooth button. It may also help. Sometimes the basics may be the best solution. And also, you need to be aware that in the Android 17, we have the automatic repairing after bond loss. So, for example, that means that, for example, if a car stereo suddenly loses its pairing, the Android 17 may recover the connection without requiring a full manual repair. But if you have some other issues, for example, for cars, headphones, and some watches, it's often best to delete the pairing from both the phone and the accessory before repairing. And it may also help thanks to that. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.